Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Netflix Party on desktop and your mobile device. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. For your PC, open the web browser and go to teleparty.com. Now tap Get Teleparty for free. Tap Add to Chrome and add extension. Once the extension has been added, go to netflix.com and sign in. Choose the movie or show you want to watch with friends. Tap the extension icon. Tap the toggle if only you want to have control over the party. And tap Start the Party. Allow the permissions. Now to invite people, tap the link icon and send the link to your friends. Next, for mobile devices, go to the Play Store or the App Store and type Rave on the search bar. Tap Install. Once the download is complete, launch Rave. Now log in using one of your social media accounts. Tap OK. Then allow the permissions. To start your Netflix party, tap the plus at the bottom right. And tap Netflix. Here, sign into your Netflix account. Now choose the movie or show you want to watch with your friends. Set it to invite only. Then share the link of your Netflix party with your friends. And that's how you use Netflix Party on desktop and mobile devices. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.